to close the comments on old articles. So you just go to settings, you click settings, you click discussion, okay, and then you see this section which is other comments, comment settings. So I've just ticked something, some parts which is already ticked actually. So you can tick if so I'll just go through with you. So if you want comment, so it's written comment author must fill out name and email. Okay, so anybody commenting on my articles must fill out their name and email, and then they can post their comments. So that's mandatory. So I've just ticked that. Then you can also tick if you want that users must be registered and logged in to comment. So I have unticked that, so anybody can comment, but they need to fill out their name and email. You can tick this if you want. I'll just tick it that automatically close comments on articles that are older than 14 days. So I have every 2 weeks. If a post after every 2 weeks, it will close its comments automatically. You can check that if you want. And then you can tick this that break comments into pages with I don't know, 50 comments per page if you want, 50 comments per page. And or if you want, um, like if you want 23 comments per page and then it should go on to the next page, you can do like that. So it will break the comments into multiple pages if you like. So you can just read out the settings and you can fix it as you want.